Hey guys, it's Jess, and something special. I have look at this thing. This is the December BoxyCharm BOXYLUXE. It's fancy. Look how big it is. So this one, BOXYLUXE. It's every 3 months. You don't have to get it. It's an upgrade, so you can. And I think they said it's always going to be over $300. So I actually got it. Oh, and it's $50. Yeah. So I actually got it this month. They did September, but I didn't get September. But anyways, tis the sea sun. All right, so let's get into it. Let's see. Okay, this one. First, we got the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It says, clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. This is everything your skincare routine has been missing. A potent cocktail of seaweeds has been blended with ginkgo biloba, rose, and mimosa to moisturize and visibly improve fine lines. This ultimate anti-aging cream will leave your skin feeling supple, firm, and radiant. This retails for $89. So far, I like it. There's something about it. I love the way it smells. It reminds me of my grandma. Ugh, I don't know. I love it. But it's just a nice moisturizer. So far, I really like it. $80. This is 30 mLs, so 1.0 US fluid ounce. But yeah. I love the way it smells. It smells so good. It reminds me of my grandma so much, and I love it. So, $89. Wow. Next is the Tartiest glitter lip paint. It says this sheer gloss is infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional, and high shine finish. The reflective glitter gives your lips a fuller look, while the sunflower seed wax and mineral pigments coat, soothe, and soften the lips. Retails for $20. I got the shade Insta Famous. Can you see it? Kinda. It's like a rose goldy iridescent. This does not dry down. It's a regular gloss. As you can see, I've already used it. Sorry guys, I'm still not feeling well. It's been like a month and I'm still sick. Everyone's sick right now. It's been pretty bad, but yeah. So we got this, and I have it on, of course. Next, this is exciting. We got the Violet Voss Pro HG, which is Holy Grail palette. I want to say it's vegan. So it says, indulge in 20 highly pigmented eyeshadow shades ranging in finish from creamy matte to bold metallic. Look at that mirror. Sorry. From creamy matte to bold metallic and silky satin, the vegan cruelty-free formula is created with finely milled pigments, making for smooth application and easy blending. This retails for $45. So far, I like it. I like it a lot. I was excited. I'm really intrigued by the taupe palette they have. What is it? Taupe Notch. I will just swatch a few. So we'll do Ploof. Hashtag Bestie. How you doing? Let's see what else. So how many? Yeah, 20 shades. This one's pretty. So jelly. It's like a duochrome almost. Teddy bear. Wine and dine. Cool beans. I like it. I tried, I was really simple today, and I kind of wanted to just stick to like the cooler tones, coolish. So I used Thanks a Latte, Toffee. Sorry, this is kind of hard to do because the mirror won't fold back. Oh, yeah, well, it's not scared. Okay, I used Thanks a Latte, a little bit of Bestie, Are You Kidding Me, Brownie Points, and a little bit of Teddy Bear. Oh, and then a little bit of Crystal and Ploof on my inner corner. Sorry, guys, I feel like my eyes are so red. I'm just not feeling well. I like it. It's a really nice palette. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, next. Okay, and then, yeah, this one. Then, this one we got to choose. We could choose this palette or the PYT mini straightener. And I chose the palette. So this is the Suva Beauty Protege palette. It says Suva Beauty's new Protege palette is a versatile, warm and cool toned palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shades and 2 brilliant highlighters. Retails for $34. So out of this, I used Structure and Theory as my highlight, and Brow Bone and Inner Corner, and Structure is on my lid and inner lid. These are pretty. So these are the 2 highlights. And then here's Poetic, Structure, and Aesthetic. This is the top cool tone row. Oh. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Like I said, I'm still not feeling well. And then here's the bottom warm row. That's Tact, Balance, and Conscious. These were nice also. I did wet Structure. This one, I did wet it. But yeah, so we got 2 palettes. And then, look at this. The Luxie Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set. It says, get a flawless look with your new cruelty-free Luxie brushes. This brush set has every brush you need to create a full face look. Fill and define your brows with the Luxie 201 Brow and Lash Spoolie and Luxie 221 Flat Definer Brush. So, oh, and it's like got this, like, this is like a little stand. I mean, it's like cardboard with whatever, but I mean, it's still cool. So this is the flat definer, which I used on my lower lash line. And then here's the spoolie, of course. What else? Let's see. And then it says blend your foundation effortlessly with the round top blender. So this is the 532. I think I like my foundation brushes a little more dense. This is kind of, has a lot of give, but I mean, it's still good, but yeah. And then, get your glow on with the Luxie 522 tapered highlighting brush. This one, I already have this one, so I use this one for my face powder. And then apply your favorite lip color. We got a lip pencil. This one's cute. But I did not use it for my lips. I used it to pack the shimmer shade on my eyes. What is this called? The 160 lip. And then contour with the 680 Pro Precision Face, which that's what I used it for. It's at an angle, you see. I liked it for that. And then, was that it? Oh, no. And then the 229 tapered blending, which is just a blending brush, and the 213 eye shading. Use this for all over. So we got this, and this retails for $65. Again, I love brushes. Okay. Then we got the Spongel Body Wash Infused Buffer. It says, Spongel's Body Wash Infused Buffers will cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. This multi-use buffer is dermatologist tested and formulated with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver. This retails for $20. This smells amazing. And it's a star. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells so good. I love it. I do like it a lot. The only thing is I don't know if you should use it every day, or at least on my skin, which I don't think I have super sensitive skin, maybe slightly sensitive, but in the shower, it feels a little bit rough. So I would just be careful, but it's cute. I like it. There's, you get it wet, squeeze it and suds up. You can use it more than once, and it smells so good. I love it so far. I said that retails for $20, right? Next. Oh, and so we got 9 products in this month. But if you didn't want this, you could still get the regular BoxyCharm. So that's neat. And this is something new that they're doing. But yeah, so then I got the Grande Cosmetics Grande Mascara. It says, get extreme length and volume while promoting healthier lashes with your new Grande Mascara. Infused with a lash-loving blend of peptides, panthenols, and natural waxes. Its buildable, water-resistant formula is easily removable to prevent lash breakage while keeping the lashes flexible and strong. Retails for $25. This is it's a metal container, and it's like, what is that, brushed metal. I don't know how I feel about it. Look, it's like really, do you see that? Wet, like, formula, thin. It's okay. It smells like mascara. It's very, like, I don't know, natural. My lashes are soft, but, like, I don't know. I've had, I don't know. Not my favorite. Not my favorite. But, I mean, I'll use it, of course. But there was that. And then we got the Pretty Vulgar. Or this was a variant, I believe. Yes. We could have gotten this and a lip liner, an eyeliner, I think. So the Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder, matte about it. It says this weightless, skin smoothing translucent setting powder locks your makeup into place while enhancing the look of your foundation. The soft puff applicator delivers the right amount of powder, blurring and filling fine lines and minimizing the appearance of pores. This specially formulated powder absorbs excess oil and reduces shine, leaving behind a soft matte finish. Retails for $32. You get it quite a bit. It says 25 grams or 0.88 ounces. Super cute packaging. There's no scent. This is the little puff. I didn't use it. But it's just a white translucent powder. It's nice. Oh. Bodhi wants to come in here, but I'm almost done. It's a matte powder. It's all right. Oh. Okay. Then we got the Crimes of Beauty wristlet and portable charger. I didn't know that. How cool is that? So it says, the ultimate bag for beauty essentials on the go. This durable and lightweight pebble faux leather bag is ideal for the jet setter, the trendsetter, and the girl boss who is always running to her next meeting. The portable charger is compatible with iPhone and Android devices and can be recharged through any USB port so that you'll never miss an email or an Instagrammable moment again. Retails for $22. There it is. It works. I've charged it. It charged my phone. I have an Android. Here's that. And then you can, will that fit in there? I don't know. But it's got everything you need and it works. So that's super cool. At first I was like, oh, like a little makeup bag. No. But then we found out that it was actually a little charger. How cool. I like it. It's really neat. And then, yeah, it came with this little cord. But yeah, it works. Super cool. So the grand total of this box was $352. Well, I guess you could say $300 because we paid $50. And then with my tax, it was like $2 something. So I paid like $52. But anyways, $300 worth of stuff. How cool. Yeah. Let me know what you guys got. And I'm sorry I'm late. again, been sick, you know, the holidays, school's out right now, and just, but yeah, I can't wait to see you guys next year, and I hope everyone has a safe and happy holiday. Bye.